Hi, what's up guys? Today I will be showing you, why am I not making eye contact with the camera? Look at the camera. Hello, hi, how are you? Today I will be showing you guys how to make a chocolate cheesecake. I've only made this recipe once, and it didn't turn out 100% because I rushed it. So today we're gonna take it nice and slow, and we're gonna actually try to perfect this recipe that I tried before. So this recipe is pretty easy. Last time I made it, but again, I was in a rush, so rip. But the first thing you want to do is you want to grab 24 Oreos. I'm pretty sure it was 24 whole Oreos that I did last time. So when I say that, you just need the cookies and you just want to scrape the cream out of the cookie, like, middle, I guess. So it's just two halves. Yeah? That's easy to explain. I don't know why I'm making it weird, but whatever. You just need 24 whole Oreos, and that'll be 48 cookie halves. I'm pretty sure that's what they wanted. If it's only 12 Oreos and then 24 cookie halves, more crust, I guess. And then you want to grab a potato masher so we can break these up. You can also use a food processor. I don't really have the kitchen, so I do, but I don't feel like doing that. So I'm just going to use a potato masher. You could also put it into a bag and crush it with, like, a rolling pin or whatever, but I'm just going to use this. Okay, after trying for a long time, I'm going to get a bag. Let me do that. Now when you think that your Oreos are all crushed, you gotta flip it, even though mine just mixed around. Awesome. You wanna flip it just to make sure everything is not a powder, but really fine. I will show it later. Well, not with a phone, because I broke my phone, so. Go me! Awesome. Rolling pin, I'm just gonna put you right there. Please don't move. Awesome. So, now we have our Oreo Crumbs, and back into the bowl you go. Okay. So now we take 4 tablespoons. I'm pretty sure this is a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and just want to pour it into your mixture. I need a spoon, right? That's a good idea. And you just want to mix this up until it's all like crumbly. Even though it's crumbly now, until it's all evenly distributed. Is that right? I'm pretty sure that's right. Now we want to grab a 9-inch spring form pan. If you don't know what that is, haha, boy, do I have a surprise for you. Okay. I think this is 9 inches. This doesn't look 9 inches. It's 9 inches now. Now you want to grease a 9-inch spring form pan. I'm gonna use butter because that's what we have. Now what you want to do is you just want to take all of your crumb and butter mixture, and you just want to pour it into your greased springform pan. Forgot to show you what a springform pan can do, but basically, let's put this in the middle. Should be good. You can spring it out like that. I'm dumping it everywhere, but you get the gist now. You want to take a spoon and you just want to press it on the bottom and a little bit up the sides. I'm going to use a thing. I'm going to use this measuring cup because it's rounded and it should just press it all evenly. So you could do that too, or you could just continue using a spoon. Okay, so now that's as even as I can get it. It should be coming up the sides just please. Okay, cool. It should be coming up the sides just a little bit, and it should be as even as you can get it. Because I greased mine so much, it kept sticking to the measuring cup, so I had to come back and smooth it out with a spoon. It's okay though, we're good. You want to set your oven to 375, and you want to bake this for 15 minutes. I almost said 17, that's probably way too much. I'm gonna bake this for 15 minutes, 375, and yeah. Cool. So while that's going, it says that we are supposed to get a saucepan and combine 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I got miniature because they are easier to melt. They take less time. And what else am I? And the milk. Okay. This is half a cup of milk. I don't know, I use evaporated milk. And you just want to combine that. And now you just want to put this on the heat on your stove and let it melt. Or you can put it in the microwave, but not in a metal dish. Yeah? Okay. Okay, so our chocolate is melted and it should look really glossy. Well, is mine glossy? I'm pretty sure that's a form of glossy. Mine's really thick, so that's okay. Whatever, we don't judge here. It has been 3 minutes. It took 3 minutes. Awesome. You don't want to burn your chocolate because then it's going to taste burnt. So don't do that. Heads up. So now what you want to do is you want to add a teaspoon of espresso powder. I have coffee grounds and I just grinded them up in a spice thing until it was really powdery and it didn't have any like granules in it. Well, it's still going to have grains in it. Until it wasn't like really coarse. So yeah, you just want to mix that into your chocolate. This is an option. This is optional. I can't speak. This is optional, but it will make the chocolate stronger and it'll taste more rich. So I recommend you do it because if you're gonna bake a cheesecake, you might as well go all out, just saying, you know? Now that's all combined and you have your milk, your chocolate, and your espresso powder in here. Awesome. You just want to set that aside. Boop. And you want to bring over 3 containers of cream cheese because it's a cheesecake. You kind of need that. Or how many ounces is this? 24 ounces of cream cheese. You just want to put that into a gigantic bowl. I didn't open these up. I probably should have. If I can open this, that'd be awesome, right? And you want these to be room temperature because if they are just out of the fridge, it won't work properly. Yeah, it says to mix the cream cheese and sugar together and then add everything in, but I'm just going to mix the cream cheese first so I know it's all broken down and I won't get any lumps. I have cream cheese everywhere now. Ah, look at that. Can you see that? Okay, after that cream cheese catastrophe of getting it all over my fridge, it's finally time to add a full cup of sugar into our, wait a second. Dang it, okay. I forgot to add the confectioner sugar. It should be fine, right? They're Oreos, so it's sweet. Let's move on to the filling. This is a cup of granulated white sugar, and we just want to mix that all up now. I love how I've already messed up the recipe, and this is supposed to be the video where I perfect the recipe, but it's okay. We're gonna work with it. Just until smooth. This looks smooth, right? I think it does. Add the eggs one at a time, beating to combine. Okay, cool. So now we have 4 eggs, room temperature. Not really. I forgot to pull them out, but they've been out for like 30 minutes, so that should be good. You want to add 1 at a time so we can mix it all properly. Oh, shoot. Okay. So it's really smooth, really creamy right now. That's what we want for really anything you're baking. That's beeping. I'm going to just take this out and we can check to see if I failed again. It looks exactly the same. Look at that. Brilliant. Now we just want to, what did I say? Yeah, that's it. Want to add 2 tablespoons of flour into our mixture. Okay, so it's lumpy again because of the flour. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna mix it. Again, pretty sure that's good. We should be good. Please be good. Good enough. Awesome. So now we want to add our chocolate. It has seized up a little bit over here, but you just want to mix it because there should be some heat left over. And you just want to add it into your mixture. It should be cooled off a little bit by now. So, because you don't want scrambled eggs. So there are eggs in this, and that's the danger of working with chocolate and eggs. And you just want to fold it in. Cool. All right, so now we have to pour our batter into our crust. Just want to pour all of it in. This looks like a lot, but it's okay. Okay, we got white spots again, even though I mixed it like 50 times, but it's okay. Now we're gonna put this into the oven at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. I'm gonna put this on a tray. There we go. This on a tray for 45 to 50 minutes, 350. Okay. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. Cool, that would have been amazing. There we go. 45. Cool. I'll see you in 45 to 50 minutes. Bye. Hi. So, quick thing. When this is all done, and you need to test to see if it's cooked all the way through, you just need to prick it with a toothpick 1 inch from the edge of the pan, and if it's clean, it's good. The middle should still look undercooked. It shouldn't be firm. And then you want to crack the oven just a little bit, turn the oven off, and let it sit for an hour. I'm not gonna like set up everything again just to open the oven a little bit, because that's useless. So just do that and it should be good. And then I'll show you the end product. I'll see you then. Yeah. Okay, so I don't have my mic because like this should take like 5 seconds. It's already 5 seconds. So this has been cooling in the fridge for about 3 hours, and I just wanted to show you like what it looks like when I cut it. Sadly, it does look like we kind of failed here because there's a white spot. It's not like focusing, but you can see there's like a white spot right there. That's just cream cheese. I was trying not to get that this time, but it's whatever. Should release. Awesome. Wow, look at that. It's totally uneven, but it looks pretty good. Like, I'd eat that. Totally. Could have greased it a bit more, but that's fine. Let's cut it. That messed up, but it's okay. And then, cool. I'm gonna put you right there. Oh my god, this is so hard to do with one hand. Ah, there we go. Okay. Put you right there. This is our cake. Looks pretty good. It looks a bit... No! Is it raw? No, it's just soft. Yeah, it's a little raw. Dang it. Okay, I might need to put this back in, but... Yeah, it tastes good. Cool. Let's just... try this then. It's a little too soft in the middle. Oh well, okay, so here it is. Oh yeah, and it tastes really good. You can definitely taste the espresso powder. I think that adds a different layer of flavor. And if you like the taste of coffee, definitely add that. And the chocolate's really intense, and definitely did not need that extra sugar in the Oreo, so I totally planned that. And yeah. I'll leave the recipe in the description if you do want to try it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!